In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a hosted page on Klaviyo. To begin, open Klaviyo in your browser and make sure you are logged into the account where you want to create the page. The first thing we are going to do is navigate to the right area inside Klaviyo, because hosted pages are managed in the landing page tools. Once you are in Klaviyo, look for the website section, then go to landing pages. On screen, you should see a page management area that lists any landing pages you have already created. After you open landing pages, take a moment to orient yourself. You might see existing pages, drafts, or templates. Now you are ready to create a new one. Click Create Landing Page. This will open the setup flow, where you will define the basic details of your page before you design it. It is helpful to have your page goal in mind at this stage, such as collecting emails for a newsletter or capturing leads for a campaign, because those details often influence your text and layout. Next, you will enter the page details. In this step, you will type in the information Klaviyo asks for, such as the name or other basic settings for the landing page. Then click Create. When you click Create, Klaviyo prepares the page workspace for you. You should now be taken into the page editor, where you can choose a design and customize the content. Now that the page is created, we move on to choosing a template. In the editor or template selection area, look for the option to select a template. Choose a template that matches what you want the page to look and feel like. If you are not sure yet, pick a clean and simple template, because you can always adjust the layout and styling in the next step. Templates are meant to save time, so the main idea here is to start with a solid foundation. Once you select a template, you are ready to customize the page. This is where you tailor it to your campaign. Review the content placeholders and sections in the editor. Update the text so it clearly communicates your offer. Make sure any call to action is easy to find and matches the purpose of your hosted page. Also check any form elements included in the template. You want to be sure the page is set up correctly to capture the information you intend to collect. As you customize, take small moments to preview or visually scan the page layout. Look for alignment and spacing so the page does not feel cluttered. Pay attention to readability by making sure headings and body text are clear. If the template includes images or background elements, update them so they fit your brand and campaign. Customization is about making sure the page looks professional and that visitors immediately understand what to do next. After you are satisfied with the design and content, the next step is to publish the page. In the editor, find the Publish button and click it. Publishing makes the page live so it can be accessed by visitors and used for your campaign. Before publishing, confirm that you have completed the key edits you wanted, since publishing usually finalizes the current version for viewing on the internet. Finally, once the page is published, you will need the page URL. After you click Published, Klaviyo will typically show a status update and provide a link to the live page. Copy the URL exactly as displayed. This URL is what you will use in your marketing materials or wherever you want people to land when they visit your hosted page. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.